Hey guys, in this video I just talk about that how to create amazing and image template for your Instagram marketing, for your Facebook ads, for your any kind of banner, any kind of LinkedIn banner, a Facebook banner, Instagram banner, and even I'm using any kind of graphics template which has to be a really easiest way. If you're using Canva is the first of all, Canva is the online graphics designing tool. Whenever you just be using Canva, so make sure you have to notice a lot of the people are using Canva, because whenever if you are using Canva, it's totally easiest process. There isn't any kind of complicated in Canva. If you're using Canva, I just will show you how to use Canva. First of all, go to Google and type in canva.com, right? Canva.com, and here's the first link, canva.com. And I already an account, so I just be show you how to create there is a lot of bunch of option are available. You see that there's a Instagram post, Instagram stories, Instagram story, highlighted cover, Facebook stories, birthday card, mind map, WhatsApp stories, Wattpad, book cover, Instagram ad, birthday invitations, event program, quotes, social graphics, and many more things. When we scroll on a lot of things, just to be I think that Canva is a totally graphics designing tool. Whenever just to be can using Canva, a lot of the digital marketer, a lot of the professional are using Canva for their graphics designing and many more things. Just to be create any kind of Instagram post right now. I can show you how to create Instagram post. Whenever just to click on Instagram post, and there's a lot of option are available. Here you can see that there's it all about the template, photos, elements, text, music, video, background, upload, and folder. There's a bunch of options are available in Canva. Whenever just you visiting first time on Canva, there's a lot of options are available. Depend upon your niche, you have to be choose that which type of template you have to be choose right now for your business, for your post. For example, I just will choose right now any kind of motivational quote. I just will write a motivation, right? Motivation. There is a lot of motivational related template you can see. And I just will choose right, for example, I just will choose this one. This is one is such a kind of attractive, and you have to notice there is such kind of attractive. And whenever I just to be change this kind of icon, I just to click on, there is an option called the delete. You have to be duplicate option. Duplicate means whenever you just to copy someone, copy any another template icons, I mean sorry, any other icons. And then you have to be transparency here. You have to be any another print option here. You have to be copy style, position mean top, forward, front, top, left, bottom, left, right, everywhere just to choose. And you have to be, there's an on top of the link option, lock options available. You have to depend on your needs, depend upon your design. You have to be experiment lot of things. There's a lot of things. Whenever I just to choose in a sense, I just to choose like I like people. There is a bunch of people. You can see there is an icon, illustrator icon available, much more free, much more pro version. And you have to be depend upon your niche. You have to be choose, and then you have to choose any kind of text. There is a lot of text font style available. You have to choose. Then you have to choose any kind of music are available. Recently Canva added such kind of music option. You have to be using a music. You have to be using such kind of video, stock videos right now. And you have to choose any kind of background. This background is black, right? So whenever you just to be click on black background, and just to be, for example, I just to be change this is in the green, this is the red, the white, this one. I just to choose this one. This is this one, right? This is amazing. So this is the call about any kind of codes. So I just to be clear that when everyone seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Okay, it's this is the any kind of positive affirmation right now. There's a call about the Henry Ford, and I just to be created that. Right. I just will write it down. The success come from experience, and experience come from bad experience, right? So it's little more. I just to be at little more, try to little more attractive. For example, I just to choose this one or this one, and I just to be remove this kind of background. I just to choose this color. Wow, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah, just to be look like here just to be write it down your name. For example, I just write it down Digital Sekat. That's it. I think it's the easiest way. And then there is one about the download. You have to be instantly. You have to be share your this kind of template to your Facebook page. Just to be tweet this template to your Twitter. Just to be email and so more. Here just to go all the animations, Dropbox. And there is a lot of options are available. And I just to be download it instantly. And there's a download option. You have just to choose images, sorry, PNG, JPEG, PDF format. There's a lot of option available. Depend upon your needs, depend upon your quality. Whenever you just we choose a PNG format, there's all of the high quality images, right? Whenever just we choose PNG, there's a you have to be option like high quality images, and whenever you just choose JPEG option, there's small file size image. Make sure you have to be notice that you have to be accept those kind of things, because whenever just we download such kind of template, make sure your quality is drop down whenever you just to choose any kind of JPEG file. So make sure that I just to suggest you to go with PNG format and then download. That's it. It is a simple process to use Canva. So I think there's a, if you're using Canva, there's a much more available templates are totally free templates are available if you're using Canva. So make sure you have to notice a lot of the difference, a lot of the designer, a lot of the digital marketer just to be post any every social media platform just to be using Canva, because Canva is a totally free, first of all free platform, and there's a lot of option available. There's a lot of templates are available if you're using Canva. So make sure you have to look at down that lot of the difference between this lot of the graphics designing tool, graphic designing, because Canva is right now it's more popular, and if you're using Canva for your marketing purpose, for your content, images content, so that's the best one. I just to be suggest to you use Canva for your graphic design template, for your images templates.